Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your eBay search history. Really easy and simple. What you need to do is come here at the top right. You see where it says My eBay? Hover your mouse over there and then scroll down. What I want you to do is click on Saved Searches. Okay, we've clicked on this. Now right here you'll see our saved searches. So we have Nintendo 64 console, PlayStation 5, Xbox 360 games. And if you want to go ahead and get rid of these, all you need to do, guys, so you can either also come here and unsave, right? You can go ahead and do that if you want to go ahead and clear your searches. So click on unsave. There you go. Unsave, unsave. So I'm basically deleting all of my searches. And as you can see, I do not also have any saved sellers, and I should not have any saved feed since I went ahead and deleted my searches as well. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.